Will. You are, without question, the best parts of every love I've ever been given. You are my dad's quiet strength, the protector and the guide. You are my mom's soft hands and gentle heart. Somehow you carry the best of what I was raised on, and you give it back to me in ways I never imagined I would deserve. You are who I prayed for before I even knew how to ask.
Today feels like the moment that every step of our journey has been leading toward. As our love has grown, it has become clear to me that this, us, was always meant to be. Now, standing here in your radiance, before God and the beauty of His creation, I know without a doubt that this is exactly what He planned for all along. Because of who you are, and because of all you inspire, and because of all you give, I choose you. The woman who buys cake for coworkers who told you their birthday once, who will drive in the middle of the night to rescue her siblings from questionable decisions, who stands by me when I struggle, falter, or question my path.
Being loved by you feels familiar, like the safest place I've ever known. You taught me what love can be when it's rooted in respect, in kindness, in faith. We pray together, grow together, and we keep choosing each other on the easy days and on the hard ones too. And in choosing each other, I have found not just love, but belonging. So today I give you these promises. I promise to choose you always and again, even when life feels uncertain. I promise to keep learning with you, laughing with you, and holding space for you to be fully you. I promise to keep stealing your mug and making coffee worth sharing. I promise to keep showing up, not just in the big moments, but in the quiet ones too. I promise to care for you, to believe in you, to dance with you even when there's no music. I promise to love you with everything I have for all the days we're given. I believe our souls have crossed paths 1,000 times before, and they always will. In every lifetime, in every version of us, I will choose you. And if the world were to fall apart and begin again, I know I would find you. My heart will recognize yours always.
You soothe pain, heal sickness, burn at injustice, and fight for truth. Your heart is bigger than anyone I've ever met. I make these promises to you, to choose you every day for the rest of our lives, to give you all that I am and the best that I can be, to hold you when life wears us down and gives us scars. I promise to be honest, true, reliable, and faithful, to be yours in every victory, every laugh, and every new opportunity. I promise to protect you every day until every drop of my strength is gone. Thank you for showing me a new kind of love. It is resilient and gentle, supportive and challenging, reliable and honest. You fill in the gaps in me like no one else. You mirror the best parts of me and match every quality I value in myself. Thank you for building a love that adapts and grows, and I know it will stand the test of time. Love never fails, but where there are prophecies, they will cease. Where there are tongues, they will be stilled. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away. For we know in part, and we prophesy in part. But when completeness comes, what is in part disappears.
I place this ring on your hand as a symbol of my love, my trust, and my faith in us. May it remind you that you are never alone.
I place this ring on your hand as a covenant to love, protect, and cherish you. May it carry you wherever you go.